Hey guys, Kellen with Family Handyman here. Today I'm going to talk about what you should do if your car won't start. And you can try these tips before you call a tow truck. And the only tool that you're going to need is a shoe. Let's get started. Turn on the dome light and watch it while you start the engine. If the light goes out, you have a weak battery, almost dead. To heat up the battery terminals and the starter, you can try this key cycling trick. You want to turn the key to the start position 10 times in a row, and then after you're done doing that, you'll wait 5 minutes. And then you can try to start the car. If it doesn't start, then you'll have to move on to the next tip. When you're stranded, you don't have the tools to properly clean off your battery terminals, but one thing you can do is use the heel of your shoe. You'll slightly tap the terminals just to get them loose and get better contact on the posts. And after you're done doing that, you can try to start the car. If that doesn't work, here's another trick. If you have access to your starter, you can tap it with your tire iron. Sometimes that's enough to free up the electrical contacts, and then you can try to start your car again. With your foot on the brake, you'll move the shift lever to neutral and then try to start the car. If that doesn't work, then you can move it back to park and then try it again. Sometimes doing this reestablishes electrical contact inside the transmission selector. If your car cranks but it still won't start, you can go underneath the fuel tank and hit it with the heel of your shoe a couple times. Sometimes this is enough to jar the fuel pump, and then you can try to start the car again. If you smell gas, your car is clearly flooded. What you should do is press the accelerator pedal to the floor and then try to start it. If that doesn't work, wait about 20 minutes and let the gas evaporate, and then try it again. For more tricks and car advice, head to FamilyHandyman.com.